everyone, and welcome back to Kitchen Instruments Thanksgiving Special. Now, I hope everybody's having a happy holiday, so let's dive in. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to take those Thanksgiving leftovers and turn them into 3 distinct, delicious dishes that you can have after the holidays. Now, I know turkey sandwiches are good, and you're probably looking forward to having turkey sandwiches for the next, week and a half, but just trust me. Trust me. So today, we're going to be making 3 distinct meals using your Thanksgiving leftovers. We're going to be making a Thanksgiving cottage pie, which has all the flavors of a Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to make turkey pot pie, which is super delicious, always a good go-to. And number 3, we're going to make a classic from my childhood, chicken stuffed shells, but we're going to use turkey instead. And as always, if you enjoyed today's show, please feel free to hit that like button and also share it, because it actually does help my channel grow by helping it reach a broader audience. And also, if you really love this show, feel free to hit that subscribe button, because, why not? It's right there. You're already on the page. Alright, so who's ready to make some delicious meals using your Thanksgiving leftovers? I know I am. So without further ado, let's do this. And there you go. There's 3 ways to get rid of your Thanksgiving leftovers without having to make just turkey sandwiches for the next week and a half. Alright, well that's all I have time for today. I hope everybody's having a happy Thanksgiving, enjoying time with your friends and family, eating a bunch of food, watching football, and eventually slipping away into that Thanksgiving coma. So, stop by later in the week. We're going to have the 100th episode. It's going to be a blooper reel. I think a little behind the scenes. It's going to be exciting. So, I'll see you guys then. Have a happy Thanksgiving.